Okay, next one up is this custom rolled Enfield 650. This was involved in the Malay beach race over the weekend, so this client wants it washed and de-sanded, or more than anything get some corrosion protection on it as it was in the salt water, etc. So we're going to give this one of our Trop Full Monty specials with some XCP corrosion protection. See if I can do something with these engine cases. Look like somebody's rubbed that down. It's all scratched up, but we'll do what we can with it. Like I said, more than anything, get some corrosion protection on it. So let's crack on, and then we'll get this R60 done afterwards. There you go, 2.5 hours on the dot. This Enfield has been trotted. Like I said, this was used at the Malay beach race the weekend, so we wanted to make sure it had a nice dose of XCP corrosion protection on it. While we were at it, we were polished up these side covers, head covers. I did do a 2-stage machine polish on a couple of these panels. It had some scratches obviously from the sand over the weekend, so we got those all buffed up. It's had a good dosing of XCP corrosion protection, re-lubed all the chain up, polished up all that exhaust. Look at that, it's come up as new. Looking sweet. 2.5 hours on the dot. On to the next.